Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to make text bold when you hover over it. For example, I got a couple of names here. If I take my mouse over a name, for example Mark, you can see it is bold. Same goes for Ryan, Peter and James. So this is what we are going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. We'll use UL element here and a couple of list items. So it will be James. Copy and paste it. Let's make it Peter, Ryan and Marks. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select the UL element. List style will be none. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Gap will be 50 pixels. Font size will be 30 pixels. Color will be white. Select the LI element. Width will be 100 pixels. Padding will be 10 pixels. Border will be 1 pixel solid yellow. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Text align will be center. Now just save it. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. Now if I take my mouse over these names, you can see nothing is happening. To make it work, you need to utilize the pseudo class hover. So let's go to code editor. So here we'll select the LI element with the pseudo class hover. And here we'll make the font weight bold. That's it. Now save it, go to browser, take your mouse over any name. For example, let's go with Ryan. So you can see it is bold. Same goes for Marks, Peter and James. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.